Good morning, welcome to National Heroes Park in Kingston. National Heroes Park. So National Heroes Park is situated on lands formerly known as Kingston Racecourse. The Lord Mayor and City Council of Kingston purchased the land in 1808. It was the centre for horse racing between 1816, when the first race was held in 1953, when the sport was transferred to Knutsford Park. And here you can see there's a lot more. So they've created this permanent place to honour our national heroes. The park was named National Heroes Park and monuments were erected in honour of our 7 national heroes in an area known as the Shrine. So we're going to walk along to the Shrine. Joining the Shrine area to the north section reserved for interment of former Prime Ministers and other individuals who have contributed to the political, education and social development of our country. So we're going to walk along to the Shrine now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I can see some soldiers there. What you have 2 soldiers here any one time doing a shift in the park. It's 8 o'clock. So it's a quiet morning. And it really is worth coming and visiting Heroes Park. Here you have the monument to the Right Excellent Sir Buster Manley. So as you can see, there's the monument. And here you have the monument to the Right Excellent Norman Manley here. So this is his monument here. This is a cenotaph, so in memory of men of Jamaica who fell in the Great War. Their name liveth forevermore. It's really nice. Yeah, feel free to contact Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica. I'm going to take you here. To the Shrine in National Heroes Park. And funny, just outside you've got Crab Circle where you can go, we can get soup, famous crab, corn. Okay, so if we have a look at this shrine here, this one here, so the monument to Right Excellent George William Gordon and the Right Excellent Paul Bogle. It really is a lovely monument. Have a look at this. It really is worth coming up here and having a look at these. Memory to 1865. So here we have the Right Honourable Paul Bogle. Stunning monument. And Sir William Gordon here. So I said it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Got a few dogs here, just lazing around, relaxing. Let's see this shrine. So this monument is to the Right Excellent Samuel Sharp here. Samuel Sharp was declared a national hero in 1975. The right excellent Samuel Sharp, hero of Jamaica. So yeah, as I said, give us a call. To my right there's two soldiers sitting under the tree getting some shade. So yeah, give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica, and we'll take you here. It's a lovely park, it's a massive park, and inside you have the shrine with all the monuments. And in the area you've got the Ministry of Education just outside, to my right. And you've got the Ministry of Finance as well across the road. So yeah, I said it's 8 o'clock in the morning, it's quite warm. Well kept park, and yeah, it's worth coming here. So I'm going to make my way to the Honourable, the Right Honourable Marcus Garvey, to see his monument. Normally there's a few people in there, gardeners, but it's quiet. I appear to be the only one walking around. You smell the trees and the plants, really well kept. And what's quite nice here, you can come and you can take shade under these trees. There's seating everywhere. And there's the Ministry of Education building there, the blue one, just outside, that's their building. So here we're looking at the monument to the right excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey. He became Jamaica's first national hero in 1964. And I particularly like this one. He's actually buried here as well. So Marcus Messiah Garvey is actually buried here. 1887 to 1940. Here we are. Fitting tribute. And it said he's actually buried here. So as I said, there's 7 heroes buried here. One is a heroine. So we're actually going to go to her monument now. So this is a monument to the Right Excellent Nanny of the Maroons. And she was declared a national hero in 1975. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica. You can contact us on various social media and we'll bring you here. And it's pretty quiet. I'm possibly the only one. I haven't met anyone yet. I'm walking through this park. So as you can see, it's relatively quiet. There is soldiers in here that walk around and monitor the park. There's ample seating here, as you can see, under these glorious trees. The trees here are stunning. So I'm going to leave what is the shrine, and the shrine has a wall, as you can see, the wall that goes around the park. So that's where all our heroes are buried, within this shrine. And then if I come out here, we'll see the monuments to the various prime ministers and a few more other people, I believe. Toots and the main tell, Hibbert Toots, who else? Reggae singers, the Right Honourable Miss Lou, she's buried here. Oh, that's the first person I've come across. It's a lovely park to actually walk through. So you see a man here just walking through the park. It's a lovely park to actually come and walk through in the morning. And there's another sign at the other exit or entrance to the park. So these are a few other monuments to former prime ministers. Let's see who these ones are. The Right Honourable Michael Manley. So here's his monument. Sir Donald Burns Sangster. So you've got Sangster Airport. So again, here's his monument. As you can see, there's a dog sleeping here. This monument is to the Most Honourable Hugh Lawson Shearer. He was Jamaica's third Prime Minister. And that's his monument. And if we just make our way here, there's a young lady. We just make our way here. We've got a few graves here. A few people actually buried here. So let's see. You have to look how vast this park is. Kenneth George Hill. Dr. Herbert Henry McKinley, the Right Honourable. In loving memory, Bishop Malilika, Ronald Reynolds. Oh, Capo. So he's got his work is at the National Gallery of Museum. Capo Reynolds. The Honourable Louise Bennett. Randolph Samuel Williams, known as Ranny. Aggie Bernard, Mrs. Agnes McClagling. Dennis Emmanuel Brown, a legend, the Crown Prince of Reggae. And Honourable Frederick Toots Hibbert. So I think he was one of the last people to be buried here in September 2020. Marnie. So yeah, as I said, you've got a few people walking through, but otherwise it is relatively quiet. And it is a lovely place to come and visit if you'd like to see the shrine and where our national heroes are Well, obviously that Right Honourable Marcus Messiah Garvey's buried here, and you can see the monuments of all the others. So I'll leave it at there. Yeah, so during the day you can come here and you'll see the gardeners working, they're watering the plants. But yeah, it's a lovely park, well kept. Yeah, and that's the National Heroes Park.